Okay, so this is your git stash. So there are some commands. Okay, how to create this stash? Git stash, and then okay, stash pop, git stash apply, all these things. Okay, just see these things, and now you got some idea about Git. Okay, how to work. So these are the basic things there as what is Git stash, Git cherry pick, Git fetch pull, merge and rebase. Okay, reset and revert. All these are important, and you can work on these things. Okay, Git stash and cherry pick. You just try it. Okay, and then try to see something. Okay, if you want some more activities or something, just go to YouTube and just check some Git command operations and just Git stash, Git merge and rebase, and then Git cherry pick. So okay, whatever I told, just look in YouTube and try to work on it. Okay, now you got a base. Okay, everything you have, just you try other parts. Okay, there are a lot of things. Okay, in Git, there are a lot of commands, so many options. Just try all those things. Just look into some topics in YouTube and try to okay stimulate that in your environment. Okay, just don't see and leave it. Okay, just seeing video is not going to work out. If you see anything in YouTube, okay, regarding this Git, just try to take that and run those commands and then try to stimulate that and see how it works. Okay, so there are some other things also in Git. Okay, these are important things which they are going to ask in interview purpose, and fundamental basic things I have already explained how to work in previous class. Just try to do all these things. And if you want more or anything, just search in YouTube, you'll get some more topics and then you can work on it. Okay. So this is the Git part. Now, if they ask any difference between Git and SVN, what is the difference between Git and SVN? Already you have seen these two tools. Okay. So SVN is a centralized version control tool. Git is a distributed version control tool or decentralized version control tool. Okay. So in SVN, like okay, version history is stored on a server-side repository. Whereas in Git, clients can clone entire repository on their local system and they can maintain the history in local also. Okay. In SVN, only online commits are allowed. Okay. If your server is not available, you can't commit it in SVN. You should be always connected to the server. In Git, commits are possible even if you are offline. Okay. And in Git, push and pull operations are faster because you are in present in local, you can immediately commit it and then okay, you can get everything. Whereas in SVN, push and pull operations are slower. So since your server is present in centralized location somewhere else, so you have to connect to that network and then you have to check out means you have to download those things. It is little bit slower. Okay. In SVN, nothing is shared automatically, whereas in Git, works are shared automatically by commits. Okay. And in SVN, when the team grows, your server configuration should be higher. So you have to increase the server capacity also. Whereas in Git, you no need of any higher end servers. Since everything is present locally, your Git activity are speed. Okay, you can work compared to SVN. Git is very speed. Okay, in optimum way you can work. Okay, in SVN it is slow compared to Git. Then merging and branching is very simple. Branching and merging in Git is simple. SVN it is little bit okay complicated. Okay, and in Git you when you clone the repository, each okay person who is cloning that repository will have a copy of repository, right? Send exact copy mirror. So if you lose anything in the remote, each copy acts as a backup and you can restore it. But whereas in SVN, you have to explicitly take the backup. Okay. both are open source. There is no issue. Only the difference is this. Okay, clear? Okay. So now one topic we have let branch merge, everything is fine. Okay. We have to see the tags, right? In tags, we have not created any tags in Git. Okay, and we have to push the tag to the remote. Okay, we have done it in branch. We created a branch and then we have done it, right? So let us see the tags, okay, in Git. Okay, go to the command line. Okay, just say git tags and see is there any tags. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, now in this repository it is not possible. You have a remote repository. Okay, this is a local repository. Okay, leave this. Go to the remote repository. You have created one more repository now. Just log into that. Hmm. Now you are in this master. Okay. See ls minus l. You do ls minus l. No, wait. What happened?
That particular folder.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದಿರಲ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಿಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಯಾವ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದಿರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೇ ಏನು ಡೆಮೋ ರೆಪೋ ಇದೆಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗಿರೋದು ಸಿ ಡಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ now go to that cd git remote repo ಈಗ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪಾತ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ cd git ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ repo ls minus l ಓಕೆ ಅದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗಿಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಡೆಮೋ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ cd git ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಿಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಟ್ cd ಗಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಸಿ ls minus l ಕೊಡಿ okay so go to the github and see same thing will be there Hmm. See there is no tax. See tax is 0. Observe there, tax is 0, branch is 1, at least you have branch 1, tag is 0. Okay, See, come to the git bash. See, here also tag is not there. Just say git tag and see nothing. So what is the purpose of tag actually? To mark the release points for your code or data, right? To create a historic restore point. That is nothing but a tag. Already I think I have given this information, right? When we are done in SVN, what is tag? So when you want to create a release point for stable version of your code, okay, then we create a tag, correct? It's a historic point for your data that you can refer at any future time to restore your data. That I'll call as a tag. Okay. So now I have done changes in the branch, and in previous class we have pushed the branch to the remote, and then we merged, raised the pull request, and then merged the changes from branch to the master branch, and then we have removed that branch also. Now everything is there in a master branch. Now I want to tag this master branch, okay, so that I can, okay, create a tag so that I can mention that there is a release 1.0 where I have merged all the changes from the trunk, no, changes from the branch, and then I will merge it to the master. So I have taken the changes. Now I want to deliver this to the production. Now I want to tag this so that from here I have delivered to the production, I can say. Okay. So the tag name, you can create it like this: git tag. You can say release, REL capital letter, REL underscore V 1.0, capital V 1.0. Enter. Okay. Now I have a tag here. Okay. So now if I want to push this tag to the remote, then you can, okay, push this changes to the, now just check git tag and see, enter. See, this is only one thing. Now if I want to add, okay, some comment to this tag, for what purpose you have created this tag, okay, that also you can add it. That you can create it in another way. Okay, just create one more tag. Git tag release v 1.1 you say. Git tag, okay, 1.1. Okay, before this release 1.1, you have to give option -a. Again, I'm amending the message. Don't give that much space. After tag, only one space. Okay. After version number, just say -m, and then in double quote, just say tag for release 1.1. Okay, enter. Now just check git tag. Okay. So you have created two tags. One as an annotations, in the sense for what purpose you have created this tag, that I am going to mention it here. So you can create an annotate using -a option. Okay. So now I've created two tags here. Okay. So next I want to move these tags to the remote repository. Okay. Or else if you want to see what is the purpose of this tag, just you can say git show, git show tag name. You give the tag name. Second one you give. Enter. So it will show what is the tag name when it is created, all this. Okay, so that's how you can see the tag name. Fine. Now I want to move this tag to the remote repository. Okay, so you can move the tag one by one. Just say git push origin and then tag name, it will move. Okay, if you want to move all the tags, you can give all the tags. First we'll move one. Okay, just say git push origin and then the tag name. First one you move it. You'll ask for username password, give that. You have seen already there is no tags. Okay, just we'll see this.
Yes.
Enter. Okay, go to the server and see this tag is present or okay. Yeah, create one more tag there. Go to the command line again. Create one more tag. 1.2. Now I want to push all these tags now. One by one instead of that, just say git push origin hyphen tags. So that at a time it will push all the tags. Just say enter. Okay, fine. So if you want to delete a tag, okay, how can you do that? Okay, now you got right. So how to push the tags, how to create the tag and how to push the tag. So now if I want to delete a tag, okay, just say git tag hyphen d or hyphen delete. Anything you can use. Hyphen d or hyphen delete. Okay, just say v 1.0 something. Enter. Just check now. Git tag. Refresh and see. So it won't go here because you are deleted locally. Just go and check locally. See, from local it has gone, but not from the remote. So if you want to delete it from the remote, then you have to say git push origin -d and then the tag name. Hmm. Okay. So this is a now run the same command for v1.1. Okay. Before that, just check git tag. Okay. Now try it for 1.1. Okay, just check git tag now. Okay. So locally it is present. Remotely go and check. Clear? Okay. So to remove the tag from the remote, it is different command, and then locally is different command. Okay. Got it? So the purpose of tag is to mark the milestone, just like just like a label. Okay. Okay. Fine. So that's all about the Git. And okay, I'm not saying that this is the completion of Git, or okay, like there are a lot of things. Okay, so whatever is required for project, and then whatever required for entry point, just I'm okay guiding those things. And if you want more, just you can Google it or check YouTube and try to practice all this. But this much is must and should. In interview, they'll ask all these things. Okay. So just practice, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. We'll discuss on that if anything is required. Okay. So in the next class, I'm going to start with a new topic called build automation. Okay. The source code management is completed. So like SVN and Git is completed. Just practice these things. Next, I'll be taking build automation. So that is a very important topic. Okay. So do you want tomorrow class or how is it? Everybody. Is class required for tomorrow?
Oh,
Everybody, just unmute and say, ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. Everyone, because the topic will be new. Okay, there is no link between these two things, spin or git. So the topic will be new. If not, we'll go with Monday. Anybody?
Let's start from Monday itself, sir.
Okay. Everyone is fine with Monday?
oh, okay, sir.
Okay then. So we'll continue with the same link. Okay. We'll continue with the same link on Monday. Okay.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು
Yeah.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್. ಈಗ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಷ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅದೇ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಿಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಐಕನ್ ಎಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಈಗ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಡೌನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಡೌನ್. Okay, anybody, any questions? Okay, go and check in the remote.
ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
You got the tags? Okay. So that's how you can push the tag and you can remove the tags. Okay.
Yeah.
So just practice all these things. For tomorrow also you have a lot of time. Just practice everyone. So from Monday we'll start the new topic called build automation. Okay. Okay then. Thanks everyone. Have a good day. The link will be same, okay, for Monday also.
Thank you, sir.